Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we are going to share with you multiple job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. And before we move on that, let me tell you about a free webinar which we are going to do on this upcoming Saturday, 11 a.m. IST onwards. So in this webinar, you'll be explained how to get a job in the year 2026, how you can leverage AI, how you can use Playwright to get jobs in 2026. Because if you want to get the calls, if you want to get your interview scheduled, then learning Playwright, learning AI, learning agents is very important. So we are going to discuss all of these things in the upcoming webinar on the upcoming weekend itself, right? Now, let me tell you about the job opportunities. Okay. So there is a hiring for a QA engineer. So Stacko Tech Solutions is the name of the company, which is hiring for remote QA engineer jobs. And they're expecting you to do manual as well as automation testing, design test cases, use Postman, use JMeter, use Git, Selenium, Jira, TestFail. So they are looking for QA engineer, and this is a totally remote job. So you can send your CV to this email address. Then there is a requirement for a training test engineer, and they are looking for somebody who can do functional as well as automation testing, somebody who can help in test case writing, bug tracking. So experience required is 0 to 1 years, and location is Chennai. They haven't disclosed the salary as of now, the name of the company and the website and the email address details are also given. Right. So these are the hiring for the QA. Now there are some more hiring, so let me share those details. Okay. So there is a requirement for a QA engineer at Zyfox company. So they are expecting you to have a detail-oriented testing knowledge, and you have to do testing also with full-fledged details with everything. And you should be passionate about finding out the defects and building out the quality software. So this is the email address that they are where you can share your CV. Then there's a requirement for a QA engineer wherein you will be responsible for functional regression, integration testing, identifying defects, preparing QA documentation. So if you have 2 to 5 years of experience and hands-on experience with tools such as Jira, Selenium, Playwright, or Postman, then you can apply there as well. So there's a link wherein you can apply. Then there's a requirement or credible company wherein they are looking for a senior QA engineer automation to join the engineering team in Pune, and it's a full-time role. It's an on-site role, and the number of years of experience required is 3 to 6 years. Then there's a requirement for Salesforce developer trainee, and the company name is VXT. Location is Noida. So they are looking for somebody who is a fresher, right? So VXT is hiring multiple freshers now who who has got knowledge of both Salesforce as well as CRM, and basic understanding of Salesforce concepts are required here. So you should have knowledge for CRM, and problem solving skills are very much important for this job. So there's the email address wherein you can apply. Then there's a requirement for QA. Again, it's a remote job. Somebody who has got experience with Bugzilla, SQL, NoSQL, and again, automation testing, functional testing with 6 to 7 years of experience. Then Thought Focus is hiring for an SDET with Playwright testing. So these days, as we were discussing in the beginning of the video, there are a lot of jobs with the Playwright. So if you're looking for a job switch, if you're looking for a job change, go for Playwright. That will be beneficial for you, right? So Thought Focus is hiring for SDET with Playwright testing for the Hyderabad location, and they are looking for candidates with 3 to 5 years of experience. The mandatory skill set is automation testing, Java, JavaScript, TypeScript, Playwright, API testing, TestNG, JUnit, SQL, Oracle, right? So you can share your profile to this email address. Then again, this is a remote job for testing manager, QA automation lead, QA manual lead, a senior QA, right? With 8 plus years of experience, 6 plus years of experience, 5 plus years of experience, is 100% remote. and they're looking for senior lead manager levels. And you can see the email addresses and the contact numbers. Then there's a requirement for AI engineer, and that is for the location of Bangalore. You should have worked on chat-based agent like Claude Code and Cursor. Budget is INR 40 to 60 LP, and there's the application link. So two technical rounds will be there, right? So sorry. So the, I'll share this link in the job description itself, and the link to register for the webinar also would be shared in the job description, so you can apply for that job, right? And there's a free webinar that we are going to do on this upcoming Saturday, in which I'll tell you how Playwright can help you to get the job in 2026, how AI can help you to get the job in 2026. So please ensure that you work on these particular things and attend this webinar. That will be very much beneficial for you, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.